Hello guys, welcome to BBFS Trading Strategy. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the reason why I took this trade. Okay, I'm going to show you, we are going to use one indicator on our window one chart. So we are going to set it. So in case if you are new, watch this video to the end. I'll also show you how you can close your trade once. You know, these two trades I took now, I can close it at once without closing it. 1, 2. So guys, watch to the end. I'm going to show you, in case if you are a new beginner, you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you in this video. So guys, let's go back to our chart. Here is our chart, guys. So let's set the next indicator that we are going to use. So here is the indicator and we are going to use, guys, this moving average. I am not using it in this particular trade I took now because I'm scalping the market. If I want to go long, I will use my moving average. And wish you guys know this moving average, unless you are new to this channel. And if you are new, just screenshot. Here is the indicators, the moving averages that is on our main chart. We have period 10. Screenshot it. Method 0 apply to close, guys. Any color of your choice, you save it. So the next moving average that you will see there is 48, period 48. I hope you guys screenshot it. This is exponential. Close. 2 picks, any color of your choice, guys, you close. The third moving average here, we have 200, and we also have exponential, the same thing, guys. Just the color you change, the color, any color of your choice, you save it, guys. So let's add the window one indicator that we are using with this price action. So the indicator we are using again here is our stochastic oscillator. Here is our stochastic oscillator. Here is it. So we have to click it, guys. What I am using is default settings in this one, guys. Just put the default settings, color, everything that you see there. That's what you are going to use. Then you click save. Let's go back to our chart. So guys, this is our chart now. Can you see the way our charts look? Though it look rough, but when you know what you are doing, you will know what you are doing. So guys, as you can see here, my line here, this is our upper base. Here now is our upper base. Here now is our upper base. As you can see, this is selling all the way to here. It decided to go up and retest. Are you hearing me? It decided to go up and retest. So as you can see now, when it went up to one extent, it started dropping. Guys, showing us the upper and lower base, till it breaks our upper base. When immediately, as you can see my trade there, immediately it breaks the upper base, I entered. Immediately you break the upper base, just take your line, draw it and wait for the breakout. When it break out, you enter your trade. This is now forming our W pattern here. Are you hearing me? It's forming W and it breaks the neck here. It breaks the neck and now it's going to go up. You can scalp. Don't wait too long because our moving average in our 15 minutes time frame indicates sell. So I'm not going to stay long in this market. I am going to take my profit. Maybe not now. Okay, anytime I like, I take my profit, but always put your stop loss below this candlestick here. Okay, this candlestick that broke the line, that is where you will put your stop loss, guys. That is where you put your stop loss. This strategy will grow your $10 account. This strategy will grow your $5 account. Okay, it's very simple for new beginners. Very simple for new beginners. So the reason why I took it, as you can see, the line came down like this. You see the line that I drew, it came down like this. Okay, so probably the market is going to break up. Okay, but if the line is this way, guys, if the line is this way, guys, as in if our, sorry, let me explain it well so that you understand, guys. You see this line now. So when the candlestick is moving this way, is moving this way, is probably is going to break and come down below. But now you see the candlestick in this one was coming down. It was coming down. It was not going up. It was not going up. It was coming down. So probably it's going to break the upper base and go up. It's going to break the upper base and go up. So, and as you can see, the wick, it has a lot of weak candles here. It has a lot of weak candlestick and also have a lot of weak candlestick here. That indicates that it's going to go somewhere. Either it breaks up or it breaks down. Either it breaks up or it breaks down. But in this case now, it breaks up, guys. I took my trade. And as you can see, our awesome oscillator here, it crossed above. It crossed above from here. Indicating a buy. So you enter for buy. Guys, this strategy is very simple. Very, very simple. So because of you guys now, maybe I will close this trade by showing you guys how you can close this trade once. How you can close it once. Guys, as you can see, I can exit here now. Because this trade might come back from here. This is just scalping. How I wish it's like this. Let me show you here now. When it's buying, are you seeing it? This is when it is buying. Are you seeing it? So when you see this kind of thing here, now that it's buying, let me show you a very good one that you can take your trade, guys. Are you seeing this one here? You see this one? Are you seeing this one? It was also coming down. The candlesticks were also coming down. It finally break up, come down again and break up. This is a long trade for you. So guys, in this place now you will go long, but because it's the moving average is moving, showing us that it is buying, guys. So if you see these strategies here, okay, you can stay long. But in this case now, I'm going to stop this trade because this is a downtrend. So guys, let me show you how you can close your trade once. So guys, let's go. Here is our trade now. So in case if you want to close it once, you see these three dots here. These three dots here. Are you seeing it? In these three dots, you have to click it. You click it. You will now read the climax. If you like it, the risk, if you like anything that you see here now, you will come down to this place. You will tick it. Okay, so I will tick it and I'll okay it. You will now come here, you will okay it. So let's okay it. So in this case now, if we want to close this trade once, if you want to close it once, you will come down to here again. That's three dots, same three dots that you just set it. That is where you are going to click again. You come to these three dots, you click, you will see close all positions, or it will tell you close profitable positions. Now what I will choose is the first one because I want to close all positions. So now I will now click it. Just watch. Are you seeing now? Everything closed at once. It's closed at once. So this strategy is as simple as that, guys. As simple as that. You see it as it broke it, it went up a little bit, and it might still go up until it came to this place. It might still go up until it came to this place. Are you seeing it? Yeah. So, but I have closed my trade already. I have closed it already. It's my little profit. Okay, I've closed it. As you can see, this place like this now. It went up. It went up. It broke it. It went up. It come down. It went up. Okay, because this is upper trend. Are you seeing it? Upper trend. The one we took now is lower trend according to our moving averages. But when you go to 1 hour time frame, you will notice that it's still buying there. Let's go to our 1 hour time frame. Okay, it's still buying because our moving average has not crossed all. It has not crossed, so it might still push up before it come down and start selling again. So let's check for a downtrend. Let me show you guys for a downtrend, so that when you see it on a downtrend, you will know how you can enter for sell. This one is just for a buy. Okay, this is just for a buy. Okay, are you seeing it? This is now our sell. Are you seeing? As you can see the candlestick here, let me draw the line. Let me pick my this and draw the line. Okay, here is our line. You will make sure that your line is not touching the body of the candlestick, only the weak body that is going to be touching. Okay, let's draw it here. Draw it and make sure that it's not touching the candlestick. So you can see it now, guys. This place now, you will go long because all our moving average is moving in the same direction. So when it goes here now, you break it. As long as you break it, you go up again. It should continue going like that. So you have to take profits anywhere you like, as long as you put your stop loss above the candlestick that cross your line. That is where you put your stop loss. So guys, I think I'll close this video now. In case if you have not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, please do well to subscribe. Click that subscribe button, like the video, comment and share to your loved ones. Guys, I will keep dropping content for you guys on this channel. Thank you for always coming back to subscribe. I do not take that for granted. Thank you guys so much. See you guys on my next video. Bye.